That blew me away. I want to thank you for that. Ali, a lot of people have been waiting for this. And I'm sure right now we have what Mr. George Gozi keeps telling me, proof of life. You are most welcome to Uganda. You're most welcome to this country. Yesterday I gave you a name. I don't know if you remember it. You are called Mutyaba. Yes, so Ali, you can say hello to the people and everybody that's been expecting you here.
Okay, big love everybody here in Kampala. It's great to be back. And what's my name again?
Mutyaba.
I don't know what Mutyaba means, but I feel a bit of love coming from that name, you know. And it's been a lovely welcome, as usual. We're currently on a world tour. I mean, just come back from Hawaii and New Zealand and South Pacific and then into India and now to Africa. And it's been a while since we were here, but I think we're going to have a great show. All the shows we've so far on the tour have been sold out and they've been smash reviews. So I'm hoping that Uganda enjoys the show as much as everyone else has, you know. I've got a fun-loving criminal with me, Frank Bambini. I've got Paul Slowly. I know it's confusing because there's only my face on the posters,
Yeah.
but we're a 10-piece band, you know, and we're the biggest reggae band in the world, and we play constantly all over the world, and it's Uganda's turn tomorrow. So we're really looking forward to playing the show and bringing people together. You know, reggae's about peace and love and unity and all of those hippie things, but it's what we're about, you know. And I think the world needs a bit of love at the moment, you know, a bit of unity. So big love, everybody, and see you all there on Saturday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ali. The band is here. He has introduced it. Stand assured, we're going to have an amazing show. But Ali is not going to be alone on that stage. We have a whole lineup of Ugandan artists that are going to be showcasing. From Navio, who is in the building. Navio. Madrat and Chico, who are also in the building. Nacelo is going to be our official DJ. Dancehall DJ right there. We have Bebe Cool. We have Vinka. We have Rema Namakula. We have Vampino. We have Party People. We have a whole list of Ugandan artists. We also have Elijah Chitaka coming through. So it's going to be a showcase of Ugandan talent. It's going to be a showcase of Ali CampBell and the legendary live band. I'm going to pass the mic to, again, the Deputy Group CEO to close this presser officially.
Thank you. I just want to let people know that the gates open at 2 p.m. and that the bronze and silver entrance is on Wampeo Avenue, and then the gold and platinum entrance is on the Protea side. So just when you're planning, just look at where your ticket is and come to the right entrance so you don't have to walk all the way around.
UB40 and Ali CampBell for, you know, gracing the next media park. So many people have come here, but for us it's history in the making. We will say when we made 15, we had the biggest reggae band. And of course, we were listening to Radio 1. I know. So I want to thank all our partners, really, who have made this happen. For us, it's a celebration. It's saying that let's celebrate with all media houses, let's celebrate with all Ugandans, let's celebrate music, let's celebrate the achievements that we have made as a country, that our contribution as NBS, and of course the whole world is watching. Where UB40 and Ali CampBell is, the whole world is watching. So Ugandans, this is our opportunity to showcase. I've seen the Hawaii concert, I've seen India, all sold out. So Ugandans, I'm not begging you. I am simply requesting you to turn up tomorrow. You still have the opportunity to be part of history and to
show happening. It feels good. because we have delivered our promise of bringing UB40 featuring Ali Campbell here to the Pearl of Africa. So thank you for coming through. Last week I was in Mumbai with the band, and they gave me a lot of access to see the production and the show, and we've been working, all week or pretty much for months, trying to make this show the best that it can be, and we're super excited to make it happen tomorrow. The experience is going to be world class. We've got the biggest reggae band in the world here, so we got to show the world how we do it here in Uganda. We show the world how we party and how reggae music is so important to our culture here in Uganda. So it's going to be a great experience from, for every section, wherever you are, bronze, silver, gold, platinum. You're going to have a blast. You're going to have a great view of the show. You're going to be blown away by this production. Tickets are still available. Please get them. There's physical tickets available here at NBS or at Talent Africa and at the Sheraton. There's a few tables still remaining. They've sold out, but we found a way to increase the capacity a little bit more. But do it soon, and really just looking forward to putting on a great show tomorrow. Thank you all very much.
Thank you so much, Ali.